The selling world has changed. If you look at things like the B2B digital revolution, where buyers now have more data than sellers, there's been a shift from sustainable competitive advantage to we now need to learn to compete on a series of short-term transient advantages. Your value, competitors' value, customer needs, your go-to-market strategies, those are all changing real time. And so we refer to this as competing at the speed of change. So all of this impacts negotiation for sure. The role of a seller has changed, negotiation training has not. We are focused on doing deals. Again, we've consulted, forget the training piece, we've consulted on 20,000 business negotiation, and what I want to have you get a sense of today is where your skills sort of stand with how the best in the world do this, right? So it's a little bit greater challenge than teaching skills that's throttling you up to a level that's world class. Winners win when they show customers how they meet their business needs at higher confidence and lower risk than an alternative, right? It's not the whole list of stuff you bring to the table, it's the few things that meet their needs better on this transaction, right? Given what you're selling, given what their business needs are, given who the alternative is, that's our value proposition. That's what we get paid for. It's really not about tips and tricks, but rather facts and insight, right? The tips and tricks are interesting in negotiation training, but what we focus on is what's effective. What are the 2 or 3 things that we have to focus deeply on that actually make a difference in business negotiation? With large groups, we've identified a really innovative and interactive way to basically audit the planning and execution skills for 200, 300, 400 people simultaneously. So we set them up in an exercise that ultimately has them creating a bidding or a pricing war. And so it's during the debrief after they report their strategies back that we can show them mistakes they made that led to that price war, how to avoid those mistakes, as well as smart things they did during the planning and how to repeat that. And ultimately we'll introduce a very simple 3-step negotiation process to change the negotiation conversation. It's changing the conversations from prices of products and services to the value of our solutions. What we don't want to do is sell on value only to end up negotiating price. We need to start thinking about changing and leading the negotiation conversation as soon as we start pursuing an opportunity.